Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Hi, Ma! Happy birthday! Ayan, God bless you always and I love you always. And thank you so much for always helping me out. Ayan, di ba? Wala silang alam. I love you. God bless you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Nico. God bless you. More blessings to come. Laging nag-iingat. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Love you, Nico. Happy birthday. God bless. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mama Nix. Love you. More birthday to come and alagaan mo palagi sa sarili mo and more bless and more power. Love you. Ingat ka palagi.
Happy birthday, Mama Nix. I love you.
Happy birthday, sis. God bless and I love you.
Happy birthday, Mama Nix! More booking to come! We love you! Mwah, chup chup!
Happy birthday, Mama Nix! We love you!
Ay, Mama Nico, happy birthday. More birthday to come. I love you.
Hi sis! Happy birthday to you! Wish ko lang more birthday and good health. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday, sis!
Happy birthday, Tita Nicole!
Wish you all the best. God bless you. We love you.
Love you, Mama.
Ay, Mama Nico, gusto lang itong batiin na happy birthday at wish ko para sa iyo ay ingat mo sa sarili mo at ingat sa pang-araw-araw na ginagawa mo at syempre lagi kang i-guide ni Lord sa tama at sana matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo. Mahal ka namin, mahal ka ng Walwal Group at syempre si God nandyan, mahal ka lagi nun. God bless, Mama Nix. Happy birthday ulit. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Ma. Ingat ka palagi.
Happy birthday, Mang Nix. Padayon sa kaanyag. More money to come. God bless you always. Love you.
Happy birthday, Nang. Enjoy your day. God bless. And take care.
Hi, Mama Nix. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. God bless you. I love you.
Hello, Mama Nix. Happy birthday. Wish ko sana maraming birthday pa na darating sa buhay mo. And more blessings. And stay humble po. Sana hindi ka magbabago. God bless. Love you.
Hi, Mama Nix. Happy birthday. Ingat palagi. Love you.
Hi, B. Happy birthday. I'm so happy for you. Ngayon, may work ka na, kompleto ka na. Wish ko na lang is good health. And thank you for always there for me. I love you, B.
Hi, Ma. Happy birthday. Enjoy your birthday. Miss you. Happy birthday, Madam Nico. I'm here in the Philippines. Enjoy your birthday. Wow.
Hey, what's up? Happy birthday, Mama Nix. Sana matupad mo yung pangarap mo sa buhay. Sana iwas din lagi sa alak para hindi magkasakit. Kasi tumatanda na tayo. Alam mo yan. Happy birthday ulit. Enjoy your birthday on 13. Thank you sa lahat. Ingat lagi and God bless. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Mama Nico. Ano lang, more birthdays to come. Ingat lang po palagi. God bless.
Hi, Mare. Happy birthday. I wish all the best for you. And stay humble. And God bless you.
Happy birthday, Mama Nico. Stay positive, beautiful, and good health. God bless you always, Ma. Love you.
Happy birthday, kapatid. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Mama Nick. Enjoy your day. God bless. Mwah.
Hello, Day. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. God bless.
Happy birthday!
Mabati.
Happy birthday, Mama Nico. We miss you, ang buong walwal. I hope to see you soon again in Rockland. God bless, more blessings, more birthdays to come.
Happy birthday, Mami Nick! See you soon! Dalawin namin kayo dyan.